Okay, let's look at my recent acquisition. This is a 1992 Speedair 60-gallon 5 horsepower compressor. Now back in the day, these were the Cadillacs of the compressors, air compressors, I guess, if you will. Anyways, this one's in pretty darn good shape. I got it for a real good price, it's in really good shape. I've already cleaned it up, started restoring it. I got a little bit of dirt stuff still, but I started scrubbing all this out, took a lot of this apart. I didn't want to take the head off yet. Got this all cleaned up. I scrubbed all this stuff. Still got to lock it down. But yeah, this thing's pretty cool. These are supposed to be commercial, but you can see the. I don't know what the part number is actually the 5Z 185B-1 serial number. I looked it up. Yeah, these are, I think this, I don't even know if this company's still in business, if it was bought maybe by, see now the compressor motor says it's 3.5, but this says the pump is a 5 horsepower. Now still it's a 3.5 horsepower. There's your oil drain. I've already drained the oil out of it. I need to fill it full of oil. It's pretty nice. Got the cover in the back. All pretty darn clean. I was like, I was going to do a restore on it, but it almost doesn't need it. I was going to paint it, but I thought that would, it's pretty cool. It's a little dirty down there, but I'll clean off some of that. I scrubbed it pretty good up here already. Still got to get, I'm missing the original shut off, but I got a new one for it. I didn't like the modern. I got one of the $15 ones off Amazon. I didn't like that. I'm still looking for kind of an original one. Anyways, it goes here. This uses like a split off, and a lot of them don't use this. They use a 3-way air valve. This one had just a single air valve up here. But anyways, all in all, pretty darn good shape and cleaned up, like almost immaculate. I used the paint prep to get the crud off of it without taking the paint off. Lacquer thinner just eat the paint right off of it. You can see actually I dripped a little bit of paint thinner here and it ticked me off. Or maybe it was lacquer thinner, but anyways, yeah, it's a pretty cool compressor though. Hopefully it works. I bought it, I was gonna say, it looks way too nice for 1992 not to fire up and work. The guy said he bought it at auction, so I said I'd do a restore, one of those cool restore videos, but it doesn't need it. So